I truly believe that right now we are largely in operating in disharmony with the world, with the earth, which is causing a myriad of issues. I mean, like climate change and illnesses and, you know, like so many struggles, so many issues that are happening in the world, which I believe is at the root is because of that disharmony, that disconnection.
I see.
So I feel that when
Mhm.
we are connecting and we are rebuilding those relationships, um, with ourselves and the nature, the natural world, then that we can start to re-harmonize